this episode of Dave's Glory Shop Works is going to be a real short one, but we are going to finish the crossover tube for the oil system modification, and that will be your complete oiling system mod for any small block Dodge out there. We have to put our fittings in with a little bit of thread tape, and then build a crossover tube to join the two of them, and that's it. The rest of the work we've done previously, I've taken care of it all. So here goes, and it won't take long. What we need is something long and straight.
Like a freshly painted valve cover.
And we make sure we have clearance. Which sure looks like we have clearance, don't we, John?
We have clearance, Clarence. I mean, David.
We got about 3/8 of an inch clearance. That's beautiful. Because if you look at the bottom of the intake manifold, there is actually a bubble for the crossover right here. But it does not protrude down past. Well, hang on. I think it does protrude. Let's measure. Let's do this properly.
Why would we start doing stuff properly now?
Yeah, so
Just a
see,
hair past.
we've only got like a 1/16 to maybe an 1/8 of an inch. So we've got 3/8 of an inch. We're laughing. There we go, guys. That's our oil system mod taken care of. That's how the oil will transfer to the other lifter gallery
Other way.
from this side, and then fill up and do number 1 main as well. And we've just controlled the oiling system in the engine. Oh, sorry it took so long to get all of those videos out. I think there's 3 or 4 in the series, and all said and done, I'm telling you, you do that to your engine, you will have high RPM availability, plus you will not have to worry about toasting out your number 4, number 3 main journals. It works. I know it works. Anyway, guys, that'll do for Dave's DeWillory Shopworks. Thank you very much for watching, and we're going to keep on going with engine builds. Have a good one.